Cold open. In the hustle and bustle of life, self-care can take a back seat, but not anymore. Here are 5 easy self-care ideas you can start today. 1. Hydrate. Keep your body refreshed and energized with water. It's simple, but transformative. 2. Move. Incorporate a little exercise into your day. It could be a brisk walk or a morning stretch. It's your call. 3. Unplug. Give yourself a digital detox daily. Disconnect to reconnect with your inner peace. 4. Journal. Document your thoughts, feelings, and ideas. It's therapeutic and a great way to organize your mind. 5. Gratitude. Practice daily gratitude. It's a powerful way to shift your focus from what's wrong to what's wonderful. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Start today because you matter. End with, care for yourself to care for your world. Loop back to the beginning. Repeat. Inspire.